Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to explain what is robotic process automation. In large organizations, people spend a lot of time interacting with different applications in their business systems. To carry out their mission, they frequently have to re-enter or copy and paste data from one application to another or compare and verify information from two applications. Robotic process automation uses software robots to automate as much as possible tedious and mundane tasks like these. This automation of white collar jobs can free up 15 to 30% of employees' time, which can be used to serve more effectively for actions bringing real value to the organization and improving the quality of customer service. As in corollary, this automation improves employees' comfort, and this is not the least of its advantages. The employee who spends the workday in front of computer tool will adhere better to strategic vision of the management who wants to accelerate the company's digital transformation. An enterprise business process involves many components in the information system. These range from database servers where data is stored to employees' desktop that provide access via various applications and software solutions to large transactional systems, client server applications, internet and extranet cloud applications, CRM, ERP, ECM, and so on. Automation can happen on a desktop where software robot executes interactions just like a human being. The robot can read an application window content, identify the field containing useful data, copy them into another window, launch a transaction, and so on. While performing these tasks, the robot may, if needed, hand over to the person in front of PC to make decisions based on his or her intelligence and experience. The robot can also carry out some checks on data it handles. This gives the company additional guarantees regarding compliance with regulatory requirement and the quality of processes result. This aspect of RPA, where the robots act as a software assistant for human being and interacts with the PC while respecting the business logic, is called attended RPA, or sometimes robotic desktop automation. Its deployment is very fast and it has no impact on information system. It does not require modification on the application, which continues to function without any change. As a result, RD projects are short and their ROI is fast. It takes only a few weeks to set up an RPA robot that can save 20% of time of tens or even hundreds of employees. And considering that desktop will not be simplified by the magic in the short term, attended RPA solution will benefit the company for many years. Some processes can be automated from end to end by robots installed in server farms and running without any interaction from a human being. A software robot can autonomously connect to database to retrieve information, applying business rules, perform processes that produce new data, and inject them into other applications using their own programming interface or APIs. This aspect of RPA, where robot works at the heart of information system or in a cloud, is called unattended RPA. However, this autonomous robot remains under the supervision of human beings. It is necessary for people to monitor the process to ensure they are executed properly. In case of anomaly, a human expert or a robotic supervisor will be able to understand the cause of the problem, correct it, and restart the robots. So the process resume where they had stopped. Because they are installed on servers and therefore inside the information system, unattended RPA robots require some infrastructure. And because they act directly on the application data, they need to use APIs which require programming work. As a result, unattended RPA projects are likely to be more complex and therefore take a little longer, especially when it comes to going live. Clearly, organizations should consider RPA globally, taking advantage of complementary approaches. It can start on desktop with attended RPA, focusing first on the most repetitive and time-consuming process. These initial benefits are quick and help employees embrace organizational digital transformation. Then the RPA journey can be extended by implementing unattended RPA on servers to handle complex processes. Some business processes can even benefit from hybrid RPA approach, mixing attended and unattended robots to maximize the benefits. Robots foster digital transformation and its main benefits include reduced risk thanks to better compliance, improved comfort at work for employees through contextual guidance, increased operational excellence with business process efficiency, and reduced time to market for new offers thanks to greater agility.
Guys,
Thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.